Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to use views in Eocortex client. To do that, we need to open the client and then go to menu. Here, we need to open the view editor. And in the left, we will see the list of available views. Here we can see the views that were created on the server in the configurator and on the client. So to understand the difference between them, we can take a look on the home image on these plans. So with this small home, these are the plans, the views, that were created in the configurator. These ones were created on this workstation. We can also create a new view, select the grid, the cameras, and save it. Also change the name if we need. Then, if you have a big number of these views and also automatic switching of these views, we can pin some of the views. For example, select this one and pin. So you can pin up to 5 views or sequences in this workstation. Then, after we selected and created a new view, of course, we can select the views and see that now this one is being used here. Or we can select automatic switching. And now the views will be changing every 10 seconds. So as you can see, the grid has changed right now. So in this case, the operator just enables this automatic switching and he doesn't need to change them manually. So this reduces the load on the hardware because not all the cameras are being showed all the time. And of course, this helps to focus on some cameras for the operator. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.